Shoes too big.
Yeah, you see what it means to walk in my shoes.
Which is what it means.
What it means to walk in my shoes. It's not easy.
So what is in your shoe? Where is it big?
Yeah.
But I like it.
They say the person that wears the shoes knows where it's pinching.
And it fits me.
See, everything I have fits you. I haven't seen nothing.
Hey.
There you go.
What's up? How you doing?
You're making me feel sleepy.
Sleepy.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of sleepy?
Normal sleep. Normal sleepy.
What kind of sleepy?
Normal sleepy.
Okay.
But I love us to go and stroll, but
What else is true?
no, not you looking this hot.
Am I not looking hot for you?
No. I don't want. Don't look like this. Don't look this hot. What?
Why are you trying to spoil me?
Me?
Yes.
How am I spoiling you?
You are doing me
I don't
like.
understand. How am I spoiling you?
You are doing me like.
Okay, I'm not doing it again. No, I'm not doing it again. Since I'm spoiling, am I spoiling you?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm trying to make you good. So I'm spoiling you.
Sorry now. Sorry now.
No, I wanted to go out before. I wanted to carry you, but I don't have any.
Were you? My hands go break this chair.
You won't break.
Are you sure?
You won't break.
You miss me.
I miss you every time, even now when you're here.
Why would you miss me when I'm here? Yeah, don't miss me.
I miss you when you're here. You're looking fine, though.
Thank you. How you
See
too?
beauty. Beauty. Omaricha. Asa. Jimasal. Akugo. Ugebo yibo.
One plate your beers.
Let's go.
How do you want it? Do you want bread? How do you want me to plate it?
Anything you like, I like.
Okay, let me plate.
Make it final.
Okay. Okay. See?
Nice.
But it's getting longer.
That's what I want. I want to get this. That's sweet.
I feel like I want to swim.
We should go and swim sometime. It's really good.
I'm
You
gonna
can swim, right?
Not really, but you teach me.
Right.
But I'm gonna wear pantambra.
As long as we're in the pool. Wait, you want we are Bubago swim before?
No, because you know, I was thinking maybe you tell me I should cover my bum bum.
No, it's a pool now.
I'm gonna wear very sexy one. G-string.
You know they wear G-string, go swim. You know they wear G-string, go swim.
Do they use?
No.
But it's the thing will just divide the
They
plate.
have. You are not going to wear that. They have what they use for swimming. You wear that and go into the pool.
But
Nobody wears G-string to go and swim.
But
Nobody wears G-string to go and swim.
No, but I'm wearing it for you.
No, don't wear it for me.
Why?
I don't want you to wear it for me.
What's the problem?
Wear it for me. Once you get married, you wear it for me in the room. Yes. Anyway, I'm not saying that.
Why am I sensing jealousy here?
It's not jealousy. I don't want you to wear that.
I don't want someone to see my bum bum.
Whether they see it or they don't see it or I don't want you to wear it.
But it will look very sexy. Just imagine me rocking you.
Anything looks sexy on you.
So I want to. If we go to swimming pool, I'm gonna do it inside the water.
I won't get married, we will now. But then it will still be in public because that would be wrong.
You know, it would be very nice for us to do some adventurous thing.
So keep planning them, so that when the time is right,
Yeah, very weekend.
we'll do crazy things. Crazy things! Crazy things! You really talk about.
You don't break.
See, it bends like this.
Are you
Your weight.
You don't know, see my yash now, wait.
Eh?
My bum bum now, wait.
Hey! I don't go.
Where you go?
No.
What's the problem?
This is too tempting.
we are not done, babe. We are not done.
We are done.
We are not done.
Pity me now.
What's the problem?
Pity me now, please.
What? Pity in what angle?
See, someone is calling. Who is calling you?
I think it's Mama. She's hearing her voice.
Tag everybody. Are you sure? Everybody's calling you. Or maybe someone was calling from outside. Said, saw you. Baby girl. You're so fine.
So when I'm gonna do our adventure snacking. I want us to do it on top of ceiling.
Hey. Okay, you know what? I just remembered something.
Don't remember
No, I
anything.
remember something.
When are we going to do
I want
our
to show you some- I want to show you
adventurous
something.
thing? When are we doing it?
I've told you now.
You see on top. Let's do it on top of
After
ceiling.
we've done the Lego
Do you know
things.
that we can even do it on top of ceiling?
Shh. After we've done the Lego things. You will
You're
love
so
it.
stingy.
Yes.
Stingy man.
I'm not stingy. It's
Yeah.
because I love you. I'm doing it. So. You understand? Yeah. Okay. I'm leaving you.
I just said you leave me now.
No. I'm leaving you. No. I'm leaving you. Bye.
But this is so unfair now. Why would you just leave me like that? Like seriously?